So this is how the bread looks after 2 hours. Oops, oops. Yep. I'm gonna put some olive oil on my hands. Yep. And then slowly, oh, okay. I will try to get this dough out of this red bowl into the baking tray. It's a Dutch oven, or at least a cheap version of a Dutch oven. I bought it at IKEA. Yeah, so this is my dough for the bread. I'll put it here. Yes, and now I guess I'll just leave it like that. Maybe a little bit of salt. Wait a second. Like this, not fine grain, but I don't know the English word for it. Put a little bit of salt on top. It's sea salt or something. Yes, from the ocean. Yep. Now it's ready to go in the oven, and of course the first 25 minutes with the lid on and the last 20 minutes with the lid off.